Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys talkback full setting. Friends, you want to on talkback setting on your oppo phone device, so how to on talkback and how to use it. Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface on your oppo phone device. Friends, click on oppo phone additional setting. After additional setting friends, you want to change phone language, you want to change phone date and time, so you can change from here. Friends, click on accessibility setting. After on accessibility setting friends, you can see talkback. Click on talkback and friends click here. Friends, talkback will on. After on talkback guys, you want to use talkback, so friends, how to use it. So guys, I will decrease volume first of all. So friends, you can see back button. So friends, one tap on back button and guys continue to tap, then friends you can back. Friends, if you tap one tap, so you cannot back. Continue guys two tap. So guys, you want to close app guys, one tap, double tap, and get one finger you cannot close this app. Friends, use your two finger and friends you can close this app. Recent close app, you can close like that. Friends, you want to swipe your screen, so how to swipe. Friends, you can see two finger. Friends, we can swipe and we can use talkback setting on oppo phone device. So as a person who is blind guys, they use talkback because guys they cannot see, so they use talkback with sound setting. So guys, they want to on youtube, so guys how to open youtube. Friends, you can see one tap youtube sound, so guys they double click on youtube, so guys they use youtube like that. Double tap here and press two finger, you can close app. One finger guys you cannot close your recent app. Once you want to close with one finger, so by one tap close all and double tap here, then pens you can close. One tap and double tap. So by one tap, double tap to on any setting. Pens you want to on whatsapp, so by one tap and double tap, then pens you can on whatsapp app. So like that pens we can on app with double tap. One tap and double tap. So guys, double tap, we will close app. Friends, now you want to off talkback. So how to off? Use your two finger, click on phone setting, double tap on setting, again scroll it. Friends, click on your oppo phone additional setting and double tap here. Friends, click on accessibility, double tap, talkback guys, double tap. Use talkback setting friends, one tap, double tap, stop talkback, one tap, double tap. Guys, talkback will off and friends, now you can use friends your phone with your one finger guys. Without talkback friends, we can use our phone. So like that friends, we can use talkback setting on oppo phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video friends. Do you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.